Summer doldrums, dog days of summer, whatever you want to call them, we've held off the worst of the heat for weeks. And this is payback time. Today, high temperature 100, nowhere close to the record of 107, but this is the second consecutive day of triple-digit heat. And instead of me saying, hey, next week we're going to see a cool down like we have every other week lately, or maybe a big rainstorm, nope. Next week, here's your outlook. Warmer than average temperatures, drier than average in terms of precipitation. In fact, I think that this current heat wave we're undergoing is going to peak early to mid part of next week, and we potentially could go through the entire rest of August sitting in triple digits. 87 outside right now, high temperature earlier, as mentioned, 100 degrees. The heat advisory for Milam County has been extended for another day. Plan on other areas being added to this in the coming days. But regardless of whether you're under a heat advisory or not, it's hot and dangerously so. Tomorrow I'm forecasting 100 degrees, partly cloudy skies with a heat index up to about 107. That's here in Austin. We'll go 100 in Llano, 99 in Georgetown, 98 degrees for your temperature in Bastrop. So for kiddos heading back to school, definitely summer as far as how you're dressing. Quiet conditions here. We did see a little bit of a sea breeze develop earlier today, but none of the showers made it into our area. Tomorrow, maybe a less than 10% chance for those of you in Fayette County. But over the next week, with high pressure in charge, generally that means sinking air, which means dry conditions. Hour by hour forecast. First thing tomorrow morning, some patchy cloud cover. That won't last long. Temperatures up to 100 degrees. And here are those very small spotty shower opportunities. Again, don't count on it. And then look at not just the heat, but also the combination of the humidity that could send heat index values up to around 109, 110 with that heat dome just continuing to build over our area. I think it could peak next week as temperatures reach 103 to even 105 degrees. And while high pressure is in control here, it's anything but in the Atlantic, where we're continuing to monitor Tropical Storm Ernesto. That storm is going to make a run at the Virgin Islands before heading northward into the Atlantic as a hurricane. Here's your forecast. Next 7 days, more of the same. Triple-digit heat and no rain in the immediate future. Be right back.